guys, what's popping?
Oh, I gotcha.
And today, I sound like an idiot. Before I landed that, can you shut up, please? I didn't land the bed. Alright, anyway guys, we are doing it from the puppy shop. Hey. That's a good video. Alright, we need to clean everything up. We'll do that now. Scene 1. Oh man, I wish I worked for Shankar.
Oh, you want to work for me?
Yeah.
Then, do you know how to make toys?
Yeah.
Make an awesome one. Yeah.
What? I made a big dragon.
Oh my gosh.
Right?
Wow. Yeah, you can be part.
Yay.
Is that a real dragon?
Yeah, look, it can fly. Ready?
Oh, you added a flying function to it. Is it a robot dragon?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't make a robot.
Let's go. Hop on the sleigh.
No, I'm a dragon.
Okay. On the sleigh.
Oh yeah, boy, we got it. We do it. We do it.
Can't stop making. Make.
Alright. Right, Captain.
Yes. Yeah.
Got 2 seconds. I don't think they're supposed to see shit. It's supposed to be the head. Yeah, we're not gonna get views. Yeah, screw it. Yeah, just come up here. No, just come up by here. Do you want your face seen by YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh,
I put it on my.
hey!
Well, not really.
Buddy! No, set me free.
Ring.
Come
Ring
on.
the bell. Ring the bell. Ring the bell.
Hey, screw you!
Oh, fun is to open the. Hey. Ring
Sit
the
down.
bell. Yeah.
Sit down. Enough of it. I'm in the game. It's not in the game or whatever. I think. You're gonna ruin the video.
Okay. Darling, sorry.
Video ruins. I don't really care now. I'm gonna post it for you. Funniest videos. I'm definitely gonna be demonetized. Like you.
Okay.
Thanks for. I'm gonna edit this. It's coming out fire though. No, actually, I'm gonna edit it as Steam. Hey, film fraud. We little kids don't. I think he's dying.
Take on my mouth.
Guys, it's really just gas. It's not really fire. I just want my phone. I'm a dumbass. Alright.